Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Check the app's minimum OS and hardware specs and compare them to your device. Once done, free at least 1 GB and reboot because caches and locked files often block installs. Make sure to disable any battery saver or restrictive network profiles. They can prevent downloads. Next, toggle airplane mode and reconnect to force a fresh network handshake. These steps remove the common environmental causes, so you can proceed to deeper fixes with a clean state. Now address compatibility. Update your OS and any device drivers, plus the App Store client, because mismatched components cause runtime failures. If the current build still won't run, obtain a compatible build. Use the app's official beta channel, an older APK from the vendor, or a store-provided alternative. Sideload only from trusted sources. Create a new user profile or guest session and install there to isolate corrupted settings. If the app runs in a fresh profile, you know the issue is account or configuration related. Finish by clearing the app cache and data, then reinstall and exercise key features, login, payment, and main workflows so you confirm full functionality. If problems persist, reset network settings to rule out DNS or proxy issues. Consider a factory reset only after backing up data because it erases everything. If the app still fails, capture logs, error messages, and screenshots. Include OS build and device model when you contact vendor support. This gives engineers what they need to reproduce and fix the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.